So why bother creating this organisation? The developers wanted to achieve an organisation that could obviously provide venture capital funding that wasn't affected by human error. They wanted to eliminate any human error risk and any corruption, I suppose, that might be in a traditional VC fund. That's why they created a DAO. They wanted to eliminate any venture capital fund manipulation by placing its governance in the hands of an autonomous, decentralized body rather than into the hands of humans. So by May 2016, the DAO held up to 14% of all the Ethereum tokens, Ether, that had been issued at that period. And that is really scary because obviously all the Ethereum investors, the percentage of Ethereum altogether, Ether, which is a currency on Ethereum, was all bound up in the DAO. And a paper was published about the risks, advising investors not to, invest further in any future projects until the risks had been addressed.